Hey, how's it going, YouTube? My name's Tyler, and this is Fare from Scratch. And today we're going to be making a Cayenne hot sauce. The basic ingredients we'll be using today include 1 white onion, a few cloves of garlic, some tomatoes, 3 bell peppers, and a handful of your favorite hot peppers. Today I went with Cayennes because they make a nice medium heat hot sauce, but you can really use whatever you like. First, we're going to roughly chop everything up into big chunks. This is all going on the grill pan, so the bigger the pieces are, the easier they will be to handle during the cooking process. If you plan on using any peppers that are particularly spicy, I would recommend wearing a pair of rubber gloves while handling them. If for some reason you decide to touch your eyes, or, well, anything for that matter, you could find yourself in a world of pain and tears. Next, we are going to place everything on the grill pan to both soften the vegetables and give them a nice char. If you don't have a grill pan, a cast iron pan will do just fine here. You may notice that I am not including any oil in this recipe. I generally stray away from using cooking oils for hot sauce because it can significantly decrease the shelf life of the product. Once everything has a sear to it and looks a little something like this, we can remove everything from the pan and get it ready for its first blend. At this point, we're going to add everything to the blender and throw in our liquids. For most of my hot sauces, I go for a ratio of 1 part white vinegar, 1 part apple cider vinegar, and 2 parts water. Using more apple or more white vinegar is really up to you. Next, we're going to take our blended hot mixture and cook it down a little bit in a pot. This is also where we're going to add our salt and sugar. I throw in some black pepper, which is optional, but feel free to throw in whatever you want, like maybe some smoked paprika or mustard powder. Important step here that you cannot forget, make sure to always sanitize whatever you plan on putting your hot sauce in. I boil my containers to prevent any sort of pathogens from forming and to ensure the longest shelf life possible. Once the mixture is done cooking down to your desired consistency, it is time for the second and final blend. The goal here is to essentially emulsify your sauce into a smooth, cohesive mixture. I blended this on and off for about 5 to 6 minutes because I like a really smooth sauce. If you prefer something with a little bit more texture, feel free to blend it for less. Finally, we can bottle the sauce into our desired containers. Ideally, you have a funnel to pour this through so you don't make an absolute mess, like I did here. I can't stress enough how important it is to let the sauce settle and cool off for at least 10 to 20 minutes prior to capping these off. Otherwise, they can erupt like a volcano when you open them for the first time. Believe me, I've been there. Once capped and cooled off, you should have a delicious hot sauce that looks a little something like this. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.